Dear viewers, you are watching a video on a radio. It is a Panasonic DLO75 radio, and it is not working better. And now I am trying to solve this problem, and I will try to remake this radio, and I will try to renew this radio. Dear viewers, carry on with us and see how I repair this radio. This is a very old radio made in Holland. You're seeing that, and this is an old, very old circuit at all, and this is the speaker. This is the tuner. It is the tuner, and it is the radio. Old radio. You see that it is the old radio, aluminum plated and copper plated old antenna, and it is the tuner. So much old radio. Today's the newest radio is digital radio. It is that's work on click, but it is not work on click. It's work on this wheel. I am turning the wheel. It is the volume ups and down, and it is the tuner ups and down for changing the center or channel, and it is the integrated circuit IC and others old, very old, terrific circuit box. And now I am going to repair this. This is very old circuit, and I am trying to solve this problem. It's very old and it's complex circuit, very complex circuit. I connect the speaker.
가슴에 들어. 가슴 뒤에.
And I connected a battery, 3.5 volt battery with this radio for energy supply. This battery can supply a good energy for this radio, and it can run smoothly. I connected it, and I am playing this radio. It is the play button, and it is the one button, and it is the volume button, and it is the tuner. And now it is time to operate this core. And it is the antenna, old radio antenna, and I will put it in this line.